The learning to Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov Masechta Shevuos Perek Zayin Mishna Daled. We're up to the fourth and fifth cases of Nishba ben Noitel. So the fourth case is Mishna Daled Shekenegdei Chashad al Shvua. If the person is chashad on a shvua, Ketzad Achas Shvuas Eidus Achas Shvuas Bikadim, whether he's chashad on making Shvuas Eidus b'sheker or Shvuas Bikadim b'sheker, Afilu Shvuas Shav, even if he's chashad on just making a Shvuas Shav, which the Gemara says the Chiddush is, even though there's no kfiras mammon, it's just kfiras dvarim ba'alma, that's also considered chashad. The Gemara asks, how come we don't say chashad on Shvuas Bitoy? The Gemara says, because if it's la'asid, so then we don't know that he swore falsely. Maybe he was planning on doing it, and then something happened, he didn't wind up doing it. And if it was l'sha'avar, then that's b'chal Shvuas Shav. The Mishnah continues, which the Gemara says that the chiddush of these cases is now, even though he's not pasal m'daraisa, he's only pasal m'darabanan. He's a gambler, malva beribis, he lends beribis, mafricha yoinim, which is also a form of gambling, v'seicher Shevuos, and he deals with Shevuos. So in all these cases, shekenegdei nishba v'naitel, instead of him making a Shevuos moed mixas, so the teveya would be Nishba v'noita. Hayishneim chashudin. Let's say they're both chashid. The nitva is chashid and the tevei is chashid. So then chazer hashvul l'mekayma divrei Rabbi Yosi. Rameir omer yachleiku. So the Gemara actually switches this around. The Rameir is the one that says chazer shvul l'mekayma, and there's two pshatim in that. Rabbi Seinu shebebavel amro chazer shvua l'sinai. It means that the shvua goes back to Sinai, and Bezdin does not get involved, not in the shvua and not in the payment. And Rabbi Seinu Sheba Eretz Yisrael say Chazur Shvua l'mechuyev la, that the shvua would go back to the nitva, and mitech she'eni yachal l'shava mishalim. And Rameir says, and Rabbi Yosi, would, because the Gemara switches around, Rabbi Yosi would be the one that says yachleiku. Mishnah hey chenvini al pinkasei. The last case is that a chemini on his notepad, he makes a shvua. What's the case? Ketzad loisha yoymar loy ksayv al pinkasi. It's not the case that the chemini told the balabayas, it's written on my pinkis, sha'ata kasav al pinkasi, that sha'ata chayiv li masayim zuz, that you owe me 200 zuz, you didn't pay me. And in such a case, it would be nishba v'noitel, because Rashi explains in that case there's no reglayim l'davar, that there's no haidah from the balabayas, so the halacha would not be nishba v'noitel in that case. Ella, what is the case? Amar loy, the balabayas told the chemvini, 10 libni sasayim chitin, or 10 lepayali selamois, pay my son for me, or pay my worker. And now, hu oimer nasati, the chemvini says that was done, I paid him. The hein oimrim, and the son or the payal, the worker, says loy natalna, we never got anything. So the halacha is hu nishba v'noitel v'hein nishba'in v'noitelin. The chemeni swears and he collects from the balabayas, and then the balabayas has to pay again to either the son or the payal. They also swear and would be noitel. Amar benanas ketzad elu ba'in l'dei shua shav ve'elu ba'in l'dei shua shav. Avad is al karcha. One of them is being mishaker, so there's going to be a chilul shem shemayim over here by one of them swearing falsely. They both could collect from the balabais without a shvua. But according to the Tanakama, this is the fifth case of nishba v'noitel.